All right, it is Tuesday, March 24th, and pretty good morning. I'm doing this right after trading today, so it's just 7:38. Um, so took a quick one here on NVAX. Actually, NVAX is all I traded today. Um, Quick one out of the gate as it dropped here to the 1360 level. Actually got filled at 1406, which I don't remember, to be honest, if I just hit the button that early that I thought 14 was going to hold, or if I just got a terribly weird fill there. Um, but held through this pullback down here into the 60s. I know I thought about buying again down here. Uh, but anyway, it popped back up and I got out at 1422. You can see it could have held for more probably. It definitely ran almost to 15, but holding through this pullback, I just wanted to be green on the first trade and took my quick profit there. And then sat through this for a while, and then after this drop here, I should say during this drop I got in. Why did I do that? That's stupid. There we go. That's a little better. Perfect. Okay, so we got this drop here, and it was past this previous. You can see it dropped to past this little dip and down to where this initial support level was early in the morning. So I bought there. Again, though, getting filled at 1398. That one was where I was like, man, I think I tried to hit the bid, and yeah, let me see what happened there. Yeah, that was a limit order at 1398. So I think, I had seen 60s and I hit join the bid, and for some reason the bid apparently was 1398. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, so then I'm in the hole right away. Bought again here at 1360 to bring my average down a bit. I think I had set. Is this where I had set the order to? No, it was later. Okay, so then held through here, looking for this to pop up. It's getting held down here by the 9 EMA. In fact, that was all through here, but it dropped again down here, down into the 1320s. I got filled at 1334. Now through here, so I took some profit. I'm trying to see, there was a canceled order. The canceled order at 654. That was here. Okay. So I bought here at 1334. I got a little pop here, and I took some profit at 58 and 63, just to kind of decrease my position at that point and take a little bit of profit here. So basically, I was taking it depends how you look at it. I was still holding this position in my head. It's 1398, and I was taking this one off and taking a small profit on this one. That's how I was holding in my head. And then I also had I put a limit order in. It must have been back here somewhere at 88 and didn't get filled, and ended up canceling that here, like around this area. Anyway, you can see it popped up here to a high of 89 on both these candles, and my limit order didn't get filled at 88. It's okay. I hesitated there because really through here I was still thinking I wanted it to pop back up over my original order, up over 14. So I was like, I don't really want to take an order at 88. It would have been nice in hindsight, but I did. I hit the button and then didn't get filled, and then it didn't matter. So anywho, then I bought here, took some off here, got another pullback here, and got filled at 1340, and that was a good move to kind of resize down here. So then we got some nice little pops here, and I got out at 1382 and 1380. Obviously, in hindsight, I could have held through all this. It could pop up to the 14 teens there, but then it rolled over from there. So really happy with this trade. I got up fucking super pumped because I was in a hole and I worked my way out of it. And this is with 2 shares, right? Even Bailey's Fish is excited. So it was good. So I ended up positive on the day, $1.17. So which is my biggest day profit and loss wise since starting this. The 2 share trade helped. So looking back at the month so far, I've got 1 red day here last Friday, and other than that, it's been all green. So been trading pretty well this month. Again, it's really small size, so there's not much to worry about, but I did a good job staying calm today and through that loser and kind of working my way out of it. So yeah, outside of NVAX, there wasn't really a whole lot. There were a couple little pump and dump things going on today. They stayed out of all that shit. I had INO up on the other screen as well over here, but I saw a couple things that I didn't take today that, in hindsight would have been good trades. Like I saw this little dip here that would have been good for a nice little, 30 cents or something. I saw a couple on INO that I could have taken, but INO was, again, it's like usual. It's kind of slow moving. It's, it's like watching a big ship turn around. It just takes forever. Whereas NVAX was kind of moving around a little bit more in a style that I like. I'm really comfortable with the way it moves. I did see it's now dropping even more. It's interesting. Still bouncing though, so that's good. So there's opportunities here if you play it right. But I'm done for the day. I'm gonna take the dog for a walk because we didn't go. We didn't go this morning, did we, buddy? No. I'm going to take her over to the Riparian Preserve. So, just a quick check-in here. So, accuracy on scalps is 81.4%. Not so bad. Yeah. It's interesting, the 7 cents per average. Average per share gain loss is 7 cents, which is, means I'm taking really small wins, but that's okay. That's my biggest winner here today. So yeah, that's my biggest, that's dumb. So today's my biggest winner profit and loss wise. Total gain loss is 44. Yeah, I'm happy. We'll keep trading with 2 shares. And one thing I do have to get better at that I mentioned in my journal is those little ones after volume starts, like this one, when volume starts to dry up a little bit. I've got to just get more confident at taking those because I see them and I hesitate. I saw this one here. Oh, no, I didn't see that one there, but that was a nice little bump off the 50 level there. This little dip below the 50 level. I was sitting there watching it, just didn't pull the trigger. Little stuff like that, I think, I could take those and they'd be nice little wallet patterns. So what I think is, when I really start trading 2 shares on the big stuff, then these little ones toward the end of the hour, um, I can size down to 1 share and be more comfortable taking those little scalps, because if they turn into little losses, it's not a big deal. Right, Billy Goat? You having fun? Okay. All right, that's it. I'll be back tomorrow and hopefully continue the green.